You continue to eat your toast. Finish up your bread, your kaya bread. Do you guys like the bread? Anybody like it? Yeah, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the 3 very simple recipes to showcase, the BALMUDA toaster. This is how it got started at the company. So it's definitely the signature product of course, you can see the other range here. I can't wait for them to bring in this. Wow, this is something I want as a chef. Like my own mini teppanyaki plate or something. Anyway, so it's boiled. It turns on by itself. As you can see, the light turns off. Okay, so when it boils already, the light turns off, and then what you need to do, then you can start to do this way. Okay, if you don't mind, I'm just going to help you. So because it's a very thin spout, so it helps to. Okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, you
Just very professional. Anyone
Oh, mine is done.
Oh, okay.
So the beauty about it is a short distance, it's going to come out at a large volume. And for other ways, it's going to come out as get rid. So that's why the spout is exact. So it's very good for freezers. And making matcha
It takes about 2 cups. So I need to